Alright, this is my video response to Chris M's video about the Vintage Tool Challenge. So, here it is. As you can see, it's a nice little 17-piece quarter-inch drive SAE socket set. As you can tell, it's old. It was my grandpa's. I'm not sure how long ago he got this, but if I had to guess, I'm early 80s, late 70s, maybe even before that. I'm not sure, but it slid out of here. As old as it is, it's still got the cardboard on it. Take another look at the cardboard cover here. It's still in pretty good shape. See the number on it right there and the value of what it was back whenever this was bought. Kind of tells you what it's got in it. Little 5-inch ratchet, spinner handle, extension, nice metal case. Then it lists all the different size sockets, as you can see. Can't really read what that says right there. It's got a little cardboard's a little bit tore up on it. I guess just from age. As you can see, the case is in pretty good shape. It's not real beat up. Still got pretty good coloring to it. But let's get inside this and see if we can't. Can't show y'all what it looks like inside here. See, it's still got the little plastic thing that comes in it, and sockets never stay in place here. They're all jumbled up, and I'm sure there's an extra one in here, probably, knowing my grandpa. And as you can see, it's just got a little short 2-inch extension, quarter-inch drive, a little ratchet, it's like the ratchet's locked up. Oh, there it is. It's got the little spinner handle. I don't really think it was used, this kit was used that much. I mean, the handle's in still pretty good shape. It looks almost new. Some of the sockets, like this one here, tell it's been used a little bit. Some of the finishes wore off. So the little one is right here. I'll probably try to organize this out a little bit, but I haven't used this set. I haven't had it really all that long, so they're just going through some of my stuff grandparents had. There's a little sticker, still in good shape for the age of it. If I had to guess, I'm saying this thing's, from the looks of it, probably about 40 years old, but like I said, I'm not 100% sure because it doesn't have a date or anything on it. So yeah, that's just my little short video of the socket set, the Vintage Tool Challenge for Chris M. Please excuse the bad video. I'm not very good at it, so But hey, everybody's got to start somewhere, right?